Are you ready to unlock the fastest way to make money online? Whether you're looking to supplement your income or turn your digital hustle into a full-time career, we've got the ultimate strategies to get you earning fast. Stay tuned as we dive into proven methods that can help you start generating cash from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make money online is through freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or social media marketer, there are countless opportunities to offer your skills and expertise to clients around the world. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr make it easy to connect with potential clients and secure paid gigs. By building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and consistently exceeding client expectations, you can quickly establish yourself as a reputable freelancer and command higher rates. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative way to make money online. By promoting products or services from third-party companies, you can earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that align with your audience's interests, create engaging content that drives traffic to your affiliate links, and continuously optimize your marketing strategies to maximize your earnings. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can become a passive income stream that generates revenue around the clock. 3. Online courses. If you have a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject, creating and selling online courses can be a highly profitable endeavor. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera provide a platform for you to share your knowledge with students worldwide and earn money for every enrollment. To succeed in the competitive online course market, focus on delivering high-quality content, engaging with your students, and continuously improving your course offerings based on feedback and market trends. With the right course topic and marketing strategy, you can build a sustainable income stream that grows exponentially over time. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products to customers without holding any inventory. With dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle the storage, packaging, and shipping of products directly to customers on your behalf. By setting up an online store, driving traffic through digital marketing channels, and providing exceptional customer service, you can build a profitable dropshipping business with minimal upfront investment. With the right product selection, pricing strategy, and customer targeting, dropshipping can be a scalable and sustainable way to make money online. 5. Stock photography and videos. Are you a photographer or videographer? Turn your creative passion into a money-making venture by selling your work on stock photography and video sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. Every time someone downloads your content, you earn a royalty fee, and the more popular your work, the more you can make. There you have it, the fastest ways to make money online. Whether you're freelancing, diving into affiliate marketing, creating online courses, or starting a dropshipping store, the opportunities are endless. The digital world is full of possibilities, and your journey to financial freedom starts today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's build a community of successful online earners together. Until next time, happy earning.